Okay, so once you've laid your old screen onto your new screen, you're going to have to match one end of it up, get it nice and flush, and then you'll have a bit of overhang, and this is what you're going to cut off. Okay, so once we've cut that screen, flip it back over, and because this darker side is the part that will have the shaft. So grab the shaft, and we can use any one of these grooves, it doesn't matter, they're all the same. And we'll have to feed this part back into one of those grooves. Prepare our hands for this because it can be a little bit hard to do this by yourself. So we just feed the end of the screen once one of the grooves on the aluminium shaft, doesn't matter which one. Go in and just feed that screen through the whole end of that groove there. Just like that. So it's fully on there. All the way onto the shaft. We're going to roll it up, get it ready to go back.